In today's tutorial, we're gonna make these cute little paper scrolls. They can be used, a lot of florists like to use these with the boutonnieres or the corsages. I think that's what they're called. Those things you wear at prom. Or they're also used as place cards at weddings, events, or even you can use them for your dinner parties. I love to do this when my family's coming over. I'm just a little bit extra about everything in my life. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need paper. I suggest you can use a variety of paper, but mixed media paper is really good because you're able to use the ink on it. We will be doing dip pen calligraphy, so you're gonna need ink and a pen holder and a nib, and a ruler and a pencil. Oh, and then something small that you can scroll the paper up with. So I like to use, this is size 0 watercolor brush. Super simple to use, or just something super easy. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna line out our paper. And what I like to do is just go a little bit from the top because you want it to have this torn edge. So you're going to want to make sure you're able to rip off a piece of the top. And come down, and then I like to do centimeters. So I use 2 centimeters for the width of the scroll. And the reason I do that is because an inch is longer than the 2 centimeters and it's just a little bit too long or a little bit too wide. So go ahead and mark these off. And I mark them on this side and this side so I can draw a straight line across. I'm drawing a really light line, and here comes my dog. I can hear her little paws. All right, so now that we've drawn all our lines, we are going to write in calligraphy. Right, now that we have let these dry, we're gonna pull off our piece of paper. And remember up here I said we needed to tear off a little bit so we get this kind of, almost looks like handmade paper across the top, kind of a rustic look. We're gonna do that. Okay, and then we just start tearing. And you need to apply pressure to the ruler, make sure you're doing that. And then I like to pull this way so it really catches on the edge of the ruler. And I just tear. It's kind of soothing. All right, so I'm gonna start off by tearing off the excess. I find that you only need about 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches of extra space to roll up. If you want to do the whole thing, you can, but it just gets to be a lot. I'm going to start off in the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to roll at an edge. And I'm using this small paintbrush because it's skinny and I want these little tight rolls. And then I press down so it really kind of holds it there. And then I start on the other side at the top left. And I'm rolling really tight. This paper can handle it, it's thicker. And there you go. I'll do one more. So again, tearing off the excess, starting on the bottom right, roll, 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 kind of press it down so it really holds. And then this side, roll, roll. The reason I use this paper is because it's a little thicker and it holds the little swirly a lot better. So there you are, super cute, easy to make place cards or place scrolls.